this is Brad Chaffron from Connectability, and I'm here today with IT security tip number 4. If you get this type of alert on your computer, do not click on the link. So it's Monday morning, you're working on a proposal on your computer, and all of a sudden you get a pop-up on your home screen saying you have a virus and you need to click this link to either scan your computer or install a piece of antivirus software. Well, unfortunately, this is a tactic that a lot of hackers use to gain access to your computer by installing malware or a virus. So what do you do when you get this type of alert? Well, unfortunately, a lot of these alerts look like legitimate Windows or system alerts, so it's often hard to tell what they are. But if you're all unsure, make sure that number 1, you close your browser immediately. And if you're on a PC and you're unable to do so, open up your task manager, and you can do that by clicking Control-Alt-Delete. Or if you're on a Mac and you want to force close the program, you can do Command, Option, and Escape, and that will help you force close your browser. Your next step, notify your IT department immediately and make sure that they run a legitimate scan on your computer to make sure that you're protected. As always, we are dedicated to your success.